Welcome to the Crypto Nest. So at hot mining, someone asked me how come this poor performance compared to Bitcoin. So let's see things. Okay, so up to now, the best he could do hot mining, he recover like 30% because we were still 71% down from the higher high. And Bitcoin, it's I think 60% or 58, something like that. So yeah, Bitcoin is doing much better, but hot mining is supposed to be better than Bitcoin, right? Why is that? So I'm going to try to explain this. So this was our first 1-2. If I do the fib retracement, we can see that even though we did the overshooting wave B, if I zoom in, we can see that we just touched the 0.5 and after that we skyrocket. Here for hot mining, we went a little bit below the 0.618 and continue to go on the side. So that's also one difference, right? Bitcoin skyrocket, and then by this time hot mining was just going on the side. So we lost a ride there. So we lost one ride. That's the thing. I think it's because of the merge. Maybe people that were kind of scared what's going to happen and they didn't want to invest. This is why we were missing one spike, and it's not a small one, because let me just do it for fun. So this first spike was, let me put in bullish, this one was 43%, and here we had, let's go it roughly 182%. Okay, now we're good, right? Now if I take this spike here, I'm going to just move it around, you can see that we had another spike of 57%, and here we are nothing. Okay, and now if I take back again this one here, we had another 56%, and here we did had a nice spike. So once again, just to compare, hard to see. So here we had under 50%. You can see that a lot of time we double, triple the gain, right? But at the end, we are missing this final spike here, and I would say this is what really hurt us. It's, first of all, we missed this spike here, even though kind of we recovered, so it shouldn't be that dramatic. But what it's really hurting us now, it's this last spike, because Bitcoin did skyrocket, and yeah, it's like hot mining didn't. So if I go here, we did reach, what was that, 35 something, 35 2, try to do the most I can accurate. So we did 40% up, and we should have done much more here. And you can see that a lot of time, if we do 50%, we do under 50, so it would make sense that by a 40 we should get I don't know, 100 or 110, and price would be much better at those level. I could sleep even more happy at $4.80. But now I need to, be happy with $3. So I'm not that happy. I'm not sleeping that well. No, I'm joking. But you see what I mean, no? So yeah, this chart is struggling because we went too much low, and we're kind of missing now these spikes. Is it because of the merge? possibly we'll see, but hot is a very hot company, to not play with the word. So it's very strong, financially very strong as well. Is diversified, so I'm not concerned. It just need now investor get back into it and get back some momentum. How you can get back momentum and investor? You need to have a sustainable chart, and for the moment it's not that amazing. That's the problem. And also you can see that here at least we had an uptrend, more stiff, right? Here is not the case. Now I'm going to take out the double screen. It's going to be easier. Hot. Okay, so you can see that it's not that amazing, because this uptrend, first of all, we broke this uptrend, and now I need to readjust it and put it here. And before we had like a uptrend channeling. After that, it broke out, very good, but we didn't stay, we haven't been supported here, and that really hurt the stock. So we need to be patient and honestly be alert also, because even though sometimes a good company can also fail into the stock market, and price can fail and let us down. So this is why it's important to always analyze price. And this is why I put an alarm here, right? And honestly, to really be efficient, we should put an alarm on this trend, because this is going to be a signal that things are not going well. So this is what I'm going to do now. I am going to bearish hot, because if we start to break this trend, then I will start to be concerned, and maybe getting out or something, and we'll see how the structure is going to be. But for the moment I'm still bullish, but breaking this trend is going to be very, very bad. And this is my pretty much my point of view for today. Let's see now, 4 hours, we're looking not that bad. This was a nice level of support this is doing now, so that's great. It was resistant before, now it's acting as a support. We are between MA 50 and 200 on the 4 hours, and then now on the daily, since I have the chart there, yeah, let me analyze for a moment. So we just had a dead cross, MA 50 below the MA 200. Price, you can see MA 200 now is acting as a support, but momentum, it's in a decline. So we shall see if we can, honestly, if I at least can hold these levels, because if we go back to the 0.886, honestly, it's going to be messy, and really not sure of this short-term trend. All right, so this is pretty much all for hot for today. Please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and have a good day.